So welcome back to my channel Exploring Metramedica. If you like the video, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell so that you will receive further videos. In today's video, we will be trying to know about the manifestations of subulcerata on the mind, stomach and male and female genitourinary system. Subulcerata is also called as saw palmetto and it belongs to the natural order Palmaceae. The tincture of fresh ripe berries and seeds is used in human pruning and it is having varied clinical application like it increases the sexual power in both male and females and it is one of the very important remedy in increasing the size of the breasts if there is a decrease of size in the females and also it decreases the size of the prostatic hypertrophy. So let us try to know. At the mental level, there is confusion and sensation of fullness. Subulcellular patient dislikes sympathy, which makes her angry. This you will also find in another drug that is natrum mur. So coming to the stomach, there is belching and acidity, and we also have desire for milk, similar to rustox and apis mellifica. Subulcerata is very much indicated in the male genitourinary system. It causes prostate enlargement with the discharge of the prostatic fluid. It also causes wasting of the testis with the decrease of sexual power. The coitus is very painful at the time of emission, indicated in sexual neurotics with the cold sexual organs. Coming to the female symptoms, the ovaries are very tender and they're enlarged. The breasts are shriveled. The size of the breast is shrunken in case of subulcerata, and it is considered to be a very important remedy in increasing the size of the breasts in such conditions. In young female, neurotics, in suppressed or perverted sexual inclination. Subulcerata patient is very much afraid to sleep, so they fear to fall asleep. They feel that something is going to happen if they go to sleep. So this symptom, fear of going to sleep, is also there in lachasis, where they are having a sensation as if they get suffocated if they go to sleep. So we can find in Clark Dictionary, where Dr. Hale mentions his observations, the fattening properties of berries on animals. So during summer, these animals, they are very thin, but as soon as the saw palmetto fruit ripens, they improve rapidly, and in a few weeks, they put on much fat. So subulcerata promotes nutrition and tissue building in its crude form. Let us come to the proving symptoms of subulcerata. Dr. Will Scott Mullins of Kentucky conducted a proving on 23-year-old lady with mediumly developed small breasts. During the proving, she developed various other symptoms of the genitourinary system, but at the end, it was found that the breasts which were small in size had increased fully. A 22-year-old lady with irregular menses for a few years came to prize with one breast which was smaller than the other. So the subulcerata extract was given to this lady 3 times a day. In about a month, the menses came on freely, lasted 4 days instead of the usual 2 days, and the breasts began to increase in size. So subulcerata's action on the uterus, bringing about regular menses, and its action on the glandular system, especially the breasts, causing increase in size, is clinically very much useful. Subulcerata is one of the drugs which is used frequently in benign prostatic hypertrophy. So let us try to know what is the size of a prostate in a healthy individual. So it weighs 20 to 25 grams and is approximately 4 centimeter wide, 3 centimeter in height and 2 centimeter thick. The volume of the prostate gland usually is 20 to 30 ml. Here you can see a normal prostate gland where it is not obstructing the flow of urine because the urethra is patent. It does not obstruct the flow of the urine. Whereas you can see another image where the prostate gland is enlarged, and this enlarged prostate gland will narrow or totally obstruct the urethra which is coming out of the bladder, causing difficulty in urination or total obstruction of urine. Let me present to you a patient aged 71 years who was hypertensive in the last 14 years. He had developed a constant urging to pass urine from the last 5 years, because of which his sleep was disturbed as he needed to get up again and again to pass urine. He came to me with this report which he had done in the year 2014, and which said the prostate gland is grossly enlarged with the size of 38 into 45 into 49 millimeter, and the volume was 44 cubic cc. In this patient, there is gross enlargement of the prostate gland, and frequency of urination, especially at the night, was because of the obstruction of the prostate gland over the urethra, making his urination difficult and frequent urging. So we are having a pathological simillimum for this, that is nothing but subulcer mother tincture, and this was given 5 drops 3 times a day in water for over a period of time nearly about 1 month, and there was improvement day by day in his symptoms where the frequency of urination reduced and he could sleep better in the night, and this even decreased his dosage of taking allopathic medicine for hypertension, which was increased because of lack of sleep. He got his investigation done again after a period of 40 days, where the prostate gland, which was grossly enlarged, remained enlarged, but the size decreased. So it became 38 into 42 into 40 millimeter, and the volume of the prostate gland decreased from 43 cubic cc to 33 cubic cc. So my dear friends, here you can see how subulcer acts on the enlarged prostate gland, causing decrease in its size and helping the patient to pass urine. So here subulcer we can use as a pathological simillimum, and it is one of the drug even thought about in case of cancer of the prostate gland. Subulcer mother tincture was continued again for 1 more month, and totally he became symptomatic free, and I advised him to do ultrasonography again, but he did not do as he was not ready to spend money again as he was totally symptomatic free. So thank you my dear friends for staying with me throughout the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the button so that you will receive further videos. Thank you. Thank you once again.